Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to move files from internal storage to micro SD card or the other way around on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and S10 Plus. So first of all we need to open the My Files app. Over here of course we have access to every file that we have on our tablet. We can for instance go to images or videos, etc., or even internal storage. So over here of course you will have all your files. You can go to music, you can go to pictures, and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna choose, let's go to images as an example. Now, in order to move something to the micro SD card, what you can do is pretty much press and hold your finger on the item that you want to transfer. Of course, you can select multiple at once. And now all you need to do is press move over here at the bottom of the screen. So if you press that button, then over here you can switch to SD card and then you can choose where you want to move it. So in my case I'm gonna move it to pictures and then I'm gonna select to move here. And there we go. As you can see, images are still there, they didn't disappear, and you can tell the difference which files are saved on the micro SD card and which ones are saved in internal storage by the icon in the top right corner. If there is this micro SD card icon in the top right corner of the image or even a video or so on and so forth, then in that case that file is stored on memory card. So let me also show you how it looks like in the case of the audio file. I'm gonna move it to music over here. In that case you can also see, although it is a little bit smaller, you can see that in the top right corner of the icon there is also the icon of the memory card. So this is how we can move to memory card. And of course if you want to move from memory card to the internal storage, then you can do pretty much the same thing. This time we're gonna select those files that are in on the memory card. Once again, press move. This time we have internal storage immediately selected, and over here we can choose images, maybe pictures. Yeah, we can choose pictures. We can move here, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.